Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok. Your account was logged out. Try logging again in your TikTok app. So, if you're using TikTok on your iPhone or Android and you're facing the issue that your account was logged out, you have to re-log into your TikTok accounts. Now, let's see how can you easily do that. So, you can do this very easily, but very first, we're going to do this some setups to avoid issues. So, very first, you have to open your App Store here or Play Store, and you have to simply search for TikTok, and you have to make sure that there is no any pending updates for your TikTok app. If you find pending updates, try to update your app, and after updating, you have to go back, open your TikTok app, and you just have to try to re-log into your TikTok app. So just wait for up to date. So after update here, tap on the TikTok app. Your TikTok app will be open. Now you have to make sure that you have a strongest network connection. It might be Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable the airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings and go back. And you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any VPNs. Open settings here. Go for general here. Go for VPN and device management. And you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find a connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. Then go back. Open your TikTok app here. Tap on the profile option in the bottom right corner. And here you just have to tap on the login option here, or you have to tap on your account here, tap on that, then tap on continue option, and here you have to enter your email or your Gmail which you have or with which you want to log in with your iPhone. Once you have entered your mail, simply tap on next option here and then enter your password here. Once you have entered your password, tap on this next option, and once you have entered your password, your account will be successfully logged into your TikTok. And once you have logged in your account, you will not get the same issue again. Or if you find the same issue again, you have to go to your settings app here, go for general here, go for iPhone storage, and you have to look for TikTok app here. You have to try to offload your app because it might be that there will be any issue, any bug or anything else in your TikTok app. So it will be fixing the steps. Once you have offloaded your app, you will get the reinstall option here. You just have to tap on reinstall and the app will be completely reinstalled on your phone. So it will fix all the bugs and issues with your TikTok app. And after that, you will not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.